Good morning. Today's video would be about top 5 railway stations near KOREGAON Park. KOREGAON Park is spelled as KOREGAON Park. KOREGAON Park. KOREGAON Park is the central business district of Pune. The closest metro station to KOREGAON Park is Bund Garden, spelled as BUNDGARDEN, Bund Garden. The closest airport to KOREGAON Park is the Pune International Airport or the Pune Antarashtriya Vimantal in Viman Nagar. The Pune International Airport is 6 kilometers away from KOREGAON Park. But the Pune International Airport is not connected through the Pune Metro. So in today's video, I will tell you the top 5 railway stations, meaning normal train stations and not the metro stations, near KOREGAON Park. So let us start. Number 5 on our list is Dapodi. Dapodi station. Dapodi is spelled as DAPODI. Dapodi. Number 4 on our list is Kadki. Kadki is spelled as KHADKI. Kadki station. Number 3 on our list is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Station. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Station is in the Shivaji Nagar area of Pune. Number 2 on our list is Hadapsar. Hadapsar is spelled as HADAPSAR. Hadapsar. Hadapsar railway station is next to the Magarpatta city, spelled as MAGARPATTA city. Magarpatta city. So the Hadapsar railway station is next to the Magarpatta city. And number 1 on our list is the main railway station of Pune. Yes, the main railway station of Pune is number 1 on our list. This is the only railway station on our list where express trains do make a stop. So let us again go through the top 5 railway stations near KOREGAON Park, this time from number 1 to number 5. Number 1 railway station near KOREGAON Park is the main railway station of Pune. Number 2 railway station close to KOREGAON Park is Hadapsar railway station. Number 3 railway station near KOREGAON Park is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Station in Shivaji Nagar. Number 4 railway station near KOREGAON Park is Kadki. Number 5 railway station near KOREGAON Park is Dapodi. Thank you.